Hello Tikkies! Welcome to our text automation video series of MS Power Automate Desktop. In this video, we will discuss about some text action. So let's learn about parse text action and join text action. So let's understand first where we can use parse text action and join text action. So parse text action is used to parses a text to find the first or all occurrences of a specified subtext or a regular expression pattern. And join text action is used to convert a list into a text value by separating its item with a specified delimiter. So let's open MS Power Automate Desktop and see the parameter of both action, parse text action and join text action, and after this we will also create a flow with the help of parse text action and join text action so that we could understand where we can use parse text action and join text action practically. Let's understand the parameter of both action one by one. So our first action is parse text action. So just type parse text in search bar and here we can see parse text action is available under text action. Just double click on parse text and here you can see parse text action description parses a text to find the first or all occurrences of a specified subtext or a regular expression pattern. Here you can see the parameter. So our first parameter of parse text action is text to parse. Here you can mention the details of the text to parse, and text to find parameter you can mention the subtext or a regular expression to search for. Each regular expression parameter, if you want to select this parameter, first specify whether the subtext is regular expression. For example, /d means that the subtext could be any digit, and start parsing at position parameter. Here you can mention the position to start looking for the text to find. The first position is 0, so use 0 to start from the beginning, and first occurrences only. If you want to select this parameter, specify whether to find the first occurrences only or each occurrences of the text to find, and ignore case parameter. If you want to select, first specify whether to find the specified text using case sensitive or case insensitive matching. So this is all about parse text action parameter. So let's move to our another action, and our another action is join text action. So just type join text action in search bar and here you can see join text action available under text section. Just double click on it and here you can see join text action description converts a list into a text value by separating its item with a specified delimiter. Here you can see the parameter specify the list to join. Here you can mention the list to convert to text and delimiter to separate list item. Parameter, we have a three option: non, standard and custom. If you select standard, here you can see some of the parameter is also available. Standard delimiter parameter, we have a three option: space, tab and new line. Here you can mention as per your requirement. And times parameter, here you can specify how many times to use the specified delimiter. This delimiter you can specify. So this is all about the parameter of join text action. So I hope you understood about both action parameter, parse text action and join text action. So let's see the practical where you can use parse text action and join text action. So here you can see I have already created a subflow with the help of parse text action and join text action. So let's understand first parse text action subflow. So here you can see what I did in this flow. Basically, first of all, here I am taking read text file, and in read text file I am reading this text file. Here you can see this text file. Here you can see there is some random value available in this text file, and after this I am taking parse text action, and here in parse text action, text to parse action, I am mentioning file contents, and text to find, I am finding text where it is available text in this text file. So that is why I am mentioning here text, and is regular expression you can select as per your requirement. Here I am selecting a start position at parsing at position 0. I am mentioning 0. First occurrences only I am not checking because I want to get all the available text word in text file, and ignore case I am selecting this parameter. So, and after this I am using for each to iterate matches and position. Here in parse text action you can see parse text action produce two variable, positions and matches. So that is why here I am using two for each for displaying. First one is displaying for matches value, and second one is displaying for position. So I hope you understood about the subflow of parse text action. So let's move to our another subflow, join text action subflow. In join text action subflow, here you can see I have taken created new list action. In created new list action, I have created a student variable, and the variable type is list, and after this here I am taking add item to list. In add item to list I am adding Mohawk into list students, and I have taken two more add item to list, and I am adding Say and John, and after this I am using here display message to display without join text result, and after this I am using join text action. In join text action, here you can see specify the list to join. Here I mention a student list, and after this in delimiter to separate a list item, I am here selecting a standard, and a standard delimiter I am here selecting a space, and times parameter I am mentioning 1, and here you can see join text action it's produce a variable join text, and after this I am using display message to display join text result. So this is all about parse text action subflow and join text action subflow. So here you can see I have calling both subflow with the help of run subflow action. So let's run the flow and see the output of this flow. So I am running this flow. Here you can see your flow is executing now. Here you can see text 2 times it is already displayed. Third time the text is available on text file 4 times, and 5 times it is displaying, and here you can see the position 15th position text is available, and 160 position text is available, and 514 and 567 position text is also available. So here you can see without join text and join text with spaces. So your flow has been executed successfully. I hope you understood about the parameter of both action, parse text action and join text action, and also you understood about where you can use parse text action, join text action with live example. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.